Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been using n8n to automate your Twitter post, you've probably noticed one big limitation. You can't post text with images using the built-in Twitter node. That's because the Twitter API version 2 requires a special permission or scope called media.write. And the current n8n Twitter node doesn't provide that scope. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix that. We'll go step by step through how you can post tweets with both text and images using your own custom API call in n8n. By the end of this video, you'll be able to fully automate your Twitter content, complete with images just like a pro. So if you're ready to take your n8n automation to the next level, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. So the first thing that I've done is I have this execute workflow node. And the first node that I have is the HTTP node, which now gets this unsplash image. So this is just for demonstration purposes. In an ideal situation, you would have maybe these images or links to images together with a Twitter post in maybe a table in Airtable, and then you automate the posting and tweeting of this. But yeah, I have this image. And if I go back here and execute this workflow, it has the image, and this is the image. So the next node is also an HTTP node, because the way you post text with images to Twitter is you first have to upload the image first, and then it gives you an ID, and then you can use that ID together with the text and then make a post request to Twitter to post that text with images. So here I have the image that we just got from Unsplash, and then we are using this post request HTTP node. Here the URL we are hitting, or the endpoint we are hitting, is api.x.com/2/media/upload. And here we are using a generic authentication. We have a number of authentications we can use. We can use the predefined authentication, where we can also get the X. But like I said, if you use this, then you get 403 errors and all that, just because when authenticating, it's not providing the media.write scope. So I'm going to get back to the generic credential, and here it's OAuth2 API, and this is the one that I'm using. We'll go through how this was set up in a moment, but first of all, let's look at some of the details below. So here, sending a body content type. Here you can see I have clicked send body, and we have it clicked, and here I've chosen the form data. Here, the first requirement that we need to send with this endpoint is the media /_ category, and the value should be the Twitter image. And then another one is the media. But now here, since we are sending a media, which is also coming from another HTTP node, and it's a binary, then we have to change this from form data to n8n binary file. And then the name will be media, and then the input data field name will be data. So once we've done that, if we execute this, what this does is it posts or it uploads this image to Twitter or X. Now let's look at the authentication. If I come here, and there are a number of things that you need to provide. The grant type has to be PKCE, and the authorized URL, I'm using this authorized URL. It's x.com/i/auth2/authorize. And we have the access token URL here, which is api.x.com/2/auth2/token. And here we have to provide the client ID and client secret. Now, like I said, the node that is provided within n8n does not provide this scope, which is media.write. That's why we're using this custom HTTP node and this authentication. Once you've done that, the authentication should be head up, and once you've done that, you are set. But then let's go to Twitter and set up our authentication there as well. So to do that, we'll say developers.twitter.com, and it will take us /English or en/portal/dashboard. And once you are here, developer.twitter.com, you can see it will, if you're using the free version of the API, then you can only create one project. Inside that project, you can also create one application. So in my case, this is the application that I created. But if you come here and you come to user authentication settings, click edit. Right here, you have to select the read and write direct message, and read and write and direct message. And here you have to select web app, automated app, or bot. Inside here, the callback URI or redirect URL is where you use the callback URL that was provided here. So you're going to use this one. And once you've done that, here you're going to provide the website URL, which is the URL to your n8n instance. All right. So once you've done that, the other thing that you need to do is, I'll just cancel here, go under keys and tokens. Now go on OAuth 2.0, client ID and client secret. Right here, you're going to copy this as your client ID. You're going to paste that one right here. And then you also need the client secret. And you need to regenerate here. Once it gives you something, copy that, and that's what you're going to add under here. Make sure the scopes you have media.write, just to be able to write images as well. And you can add the list of the scopes there. All right. So that should work. Once I've done that, this image has been uploaded to Twitter. The last step that I'm going to take is to post the tweet together with the image. So I'm going to use this endpoint, which is api.x.com/2/tweets. I'm using the generic credential type, which is the credential type that we created in the previous node. So it's OAuth 2 API, and this is what we created. That's what we are using. Remember, we added the client ID, the client secret, we added the authorization URL, and the list of the details. Here, I'm also going to add send body, and in this case, it has to be JSON. So once you have done that, here you can choose using JSON. And inside here, I have two things. Number one is text. This is the tweet. And then the other object is the media. Now, inside the media, we have another object called media IDs. Inside, this is a list of media IDs. So the images that you want to upload, you can add them here. So I'm just going to take the ID and add it here. You can add multiple images. Like in this case, we have two images that are going to go with this post. But since we have uploaded one image, in this case, I'm going to remove the other one. So we are going to have this image together with the post. All right. So once I've done that, I'm going to execute this. And it looks like it has posted this to Twitter. So I'm just going to go ahead to my Twitter account or my X account. and I'm going to go there, and you can see this is the post that I've just made, and you can see 28 seconds ago. So this is how you post to Twitter using the text together with the image. So feel free to subscribe to the channel, like and comment. Until next time, all the best.